Alright, good morning, Carpet Sting Pro. Uh, Job of the day. Marine Barracks in DC. I have like 8 areas. This is one of the areas. Have to clean. Hallway. Flight of stairs here. And it's also a flight of stairs here. Not too bad. I think there was maybe 4 rooms in here. Not too bad. Some stains we gotta concentrate on. I don't know what that could be. Figure it out. Could be water. Another room. Again, not that bad. It's not even wall-to-wall carpet, it's like an area. Another room here. Not that bad. Maybe 1 or 2 spots. And 1 in here. I'm just gonna work around the bed. I'm not moving the bed, so just be working around it and the furniture. So stay tuned. First job with the Dang Wang Pro version 3. I've been texting Tony back and forth over the past week, and he said he was gonna send me this wand. Got it in the color blue, color of Carpet Sting Pro. So sight glass, 4 jets. So we're gonna see how it works out today. I like it already. I haven't even used it yet, and I like it. Yeah, I'm really liking this Tony Dang wine. I know online and in the forums, people have been talking about comparing it to the Devastator and how the Devastator is better. I haven't used the Devastator myself, so I can't really argue to that point, but for me, from the wine I was using, I had the standard wine that came with my machine. This is way better. 14 inch. I had a 12 inch 2-jet, now I have a 14 inch 4-jet with the glide. So this is way easier on me, and I like the sound of it. I was looking online about for some wines because I was getting tired of my wine. I was actually looking for glides, and then I came across this, and then I came across Tony, and we started talking via messenger at first, and then he gave me his number and I called him, and he explained to me, you know, the reasons for his wine being the way it is and the other wine being the way it is, and what you could do with his wine and what the other wine can't do. I won't go into it. I'm not trying to debate, but I am liking this wine better than my standard wine, so got the sight glass so I can see what I'm doing with the water, dirt. So, yep, I like it.